Kit. Another Kit Kat. I love this like afternoon light that hits the apartment. If you can't tell, I'm very sick. I was in bed for like the past 3 days, literally not able to do anything. And yesterday afternoon I was kind of able to go and get some groceries and stuff, but I was still so sick I couldn't vlog. This morning I opened my Nespresso because I received it I think 2 days ago. You know it's bad when I wasn't even able to open it. I actually opened it this morning and I had the coffee from it, and I love so much like the concept of an advent calendar, and I love Nespresso a lot, so I'm like so happy that I was able to snatch it. I've seen so many YouTubers use the advent calendar and I always have to like skip that part because I don't want to know like what's in the calendar. But today is Thursday, today's Thursday, December 8th. Today marks exactly 1 month since I landed in Toronto, and that's a huge accomplishment for me because I am home. I have my own apartment and so much happened in 1 month. It's insane, and I'm just like so grateful for everyone that chose to come on this journey with me. Thank you for following and subscribing and watching and sharing. It means so much to me. Today I'm going to IKEA. I'm gonna get a dinnerware set, some knives, some essentials, and hopefully I'll find a good floor lamp for the bedroom because the bedroom doesn't have any lights, which is a weird thing in construction here in America that I don't understand. Like, how do you build an apartment with a piece of the apartment not having lights? Like, make it make sense. That's what I signed up for, guys. So I'm going to IKEA, taking you guys with me. Also, yesterday was a great productive day. As I said, I was able to do some of the things that I really needed to do. My health card is signed up for, and I'm gonna get it soon in my address. And then they sent me confirmation for my permanent resident card that's gonna go ship to Yasmin, my friend's place, because I registered her address before I even had my own, and that was so kind of her to let me do that. So that's what's up. I'm official now. I'm just waiting on my cards. I'm grateful for that. So I'm looking at lighting, and I feel like these are long and tall enough to not cut the space or cut the wall. And it's so cheap, like $13 plus tax. That is so good. Me and my grandma cart on the website, I really liked this one. Kind of looked like super design, modern, stuff like that. However, it's very short. So ectogram, $30. I think this is the one. It says GU10 and it says GU10 over there, so I'm just gonna add this one. Quick little haul from IKEA, which I'm excited about because I saved a ton of money from what I was gonna do. I'm just like kind of not being too annoying with the basics, and then I will treat myself to other things. And who remembers this top, this sweater? If you know, you know. I love this sweater. I got this bowl, cute for the aesthetics. I got 2 cutting knives, one for, you know, the bigger things, and then this for the little vegetables. I got one of these to remove all of the weird things on my bedding. It is cotton, and cotton kind of tends to take in a lot of dust and a lot of, you know, some of my hair and stuff like that, so I just want to remove everything. I got this light bulb, as you guys saw. The weird thing about what I like, it's either very expensive or problematic, out of stock, popular. So what I decided to do was to get this 12 piece of just plain white set, so I can have like the basics. It has 4 bowls, 4 small plates, and 4 big plates, and that's enough for me. Then I will, you know, kind of get a little bit more fancy with whatever I like throughout time. I just need to keep reminding myself, and if you're moving as well, you have to remind yourself, things happen over time. They don't happen all at once. You don't have to shop for everything, like create your whole lifestyle and your whole foundation all at once. You need to go through it, understand that home stuff, it's collective. It's not, you know, a huge one shopping spree and that's it, you're gonna stop shopping. I kept saying, no, like I'm an adult, I need a set, I need this fancy stuff, and it's like, no, like I don't need any fancy stuff. I need to like settle myself down first, and then I can shop for fancy stuff as I go, you know, as I build myself in here. I just moved, I just arrived a month ago, so I need to fucking chill. Then I got one of these hand towels, and then I got another one of these shower towels. Again, not the best, I don't love them, but I feel like I just need a basic, and that's it. These are the Dimforsen. They're a little bit the microfiber ones, and I got also facial ones, and this is the first hand towel. I got the lamp, the floor lamp for the bedroom, and I'm so excited because it is a tall one and it has 2 lights, so it's going to light up the bedroom a little bit better. And can you hear my stuffy nose? I'm pretty sure you can. I am so grateful for my cart that I bought yesterday. And one last tip, if you are coming to Canada, I went to, I think it's Koreatown that I went to yesterday. It's Padina Avenue. That's the avenue that I went to. There's a lot of stores and businesses, and everything's written in Asian. I don't want to say which country because I'm not educated on that. The market there is super cheap. I got so many vegetables and fruits yesterday from there, and it's super cheap, and you get a run for your money versus getting from Shoppers or getting from Metro or anything like that. I haven't even gone to Loblaws because apparently it's really expensive. For, you know, the basics, I'm not looking to spend $100 on literally nothing. So I went and got like so many fruits and like blueberries and stuff like that, 2 for $2 versus it is literally $4 at Shoppers for 1. I got sweet potatoes, I got onions, I got stuff like that. And honestly, like for the week, I might have to go there like every Sunday or every weekend or something like that. Just make a little outing out of it, get some bubble tea over there, whatever. But honestly, I feel like that's a good deal. I got a good deal over there, and that's where I got my cart from, which was $40. I'm not gonna talk about that. I hate being sick. It makes me so depressed. I've been asking way too much off of my body, and my body has carried me through this whole process without getting sick. So I am very grateful for the fact that I got sick after I found a home, and after I found, you know, after I settled and I could at least have a bed. So I'm grateful for that. Thank you, Lord. Also been watching the World Cup, and Morocco has gone to the quarterfinals. I am so proud and so happy being Moroccan now, and the team has moved the whole fucking country and Moroccans everywhere in the world. I am so happy. Like, I used to want to be excited about football, and I couldn't because the team was not performing as much, and now the team is performing. I'm so excited to watch all the games. I'm so excited to get into it and into sports and stuff. And they're playing Portugal this Saturday, so I'm meeting with Yasmin and we're gonna watch the quarterfinals. And I, as usual, don't have a lot of hope, but I am nonetheless faithful, going to still cheer for the team. What if we beat Portugal as well? This might age really badly. This clip might age really badly. It also might age really well, and we might come out champions. So either way, I'm gonna enjoy this game. Either it's the last game, either we're gonna go to the semifinals. We don't know. Guys, as you saw, every morning I have 2 coffees, and because I received this advent calendar like a week late, so every day I open the day of, and then I open one of the other ones from 1 to 7. I've had 3 coffees. They haven't been anything crazy or anything. Let's do number 5. Another regular one, but me being a coffee lover, I'm chill about it. Oh, and today I received my TV, my 70 motherfucking inches TV that's gonna take up the whole wall. I'm excited. I have a plethora of shows to watch on that TV. You guys, freaking TV is here. I'm so excited. It is freaking huge. I need it on this side because that's where the TV is gonna go. This is where the couch is gonna go. My new baby. Alright guys, it is game day today. Morocco, Portugal, quarterfinals. Definitely didn't open my TV. I do not feel like it. I'm gonna meet a friend to watch the game. I feel like I'm going to school or something. It is literally 9 a.m. I've been up since 7:30, you know, getting breakfast and not breakfast, coffee. This might be our last game. I don't know. I really hope not, but we have to like take advantage of this historic moment that we are living. And yeah, I'm on my way. We're going to one of the apparently best sports bars here in Toronto. I saw on Instagram it has really big screens and stuff, so let's go. You guys, we made it. This is the hugest bar I've ever seen. Huge screens. It is several hours later after the win. It was so much fun. I'm so much like, this is the best game I've ever watched. Like, I never expected for Cristiano to be gone from the World Cup and him playing Morocco. So I'm just so happy today. I'm very proud. I am in a kind of a low energy mode because of my sickness and all of that, and little Mother Nature is not treating me very well. My back hurts, it's very cold. I don't mean to complain on the vlog, and I never want to complain on a vlog, but these past few days have been hard. So today definitely lifted my spirits. I'm going to unbox my TV and I'm so excited.
See Jane.